Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn what is human dignity. Definition of human dignity. At its most basic, the concept of human dignity is the belief that all people hold a special value that's tied solely to their humanity. It has nothing to do with their class, race, gender, religion, abilities, or any other factor other than them being human. Human dignity is a concept that refers to the inherent worth and value possessed by every human being by virtue of their humanity. It encompasses the idea that all individuals are entitled to be treated with respect, fairness, and compassion regardless of their background, characteristics, or circumstances. Importance of human dignity. The importance of human dignity lies in its recognition of the fundamental equality and inherent worth of every person. Here are a few reasons why it's significant. Inherent value. Human dignity acknowledges that each individual has an intrinsic worth simply by being human. It asserts that every person deserves to be treated as a unique individual, irrespective of their social status, achievement, or abilities. Number 2, equality and respect. Recognizing human dignity promotes equality among people. It emphasizes that every human should be treated with fairness, respect, and dignity, irrespective of their race, gender, religion, age, or any other characteristic. It affirms that all individuals possess the same basic rights and deserve equal opportunities. Number 3, autonomy and self-determination. Human dignity recognizes and respects an individual's autonomy and right to make decisions about their own life. It emphasizes that people should have the freedom to have express themselves, pursue their own goals, and make choices that align with their values and beliefs as long as they do not harm others. Number 4, ethical consideration. Human dignity provides a moral framework for ethical decision making. It serves as a guiding principle in various fields, including law, medicine, and social justice, ensuring that policies and actions are centered around promoting and preserving the dignity of individuals. Number 5, compassion and empathy. Recognizing human dignity encourages empathy and compassion toward others. It reminds us to consider the feelings, needs, and experiences of others, fostering a more compassionate and caring society. Number 6, human rights. Human dignity is closely linked to the concept of human rights. The notion that all individuals possess inherent dignity forms the basis for the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and various international treaties. It serves as a foundation for protecting and promoting the rights and freedom of individuals across the globe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more videos.